So this is the US oil analysis for Thursday, the 22nd of February. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices find support in around the 58.28, had a brief pullback after testing 61.48, had a consolidation around 61.48 before we had a test of 62.54. About 62.54 we did again see prices stall. Bear with me a second here. I can get my pen working. We've had prices stall around 62.54 before we saw price head down towards our 61.48. Briefly hold support for another retest of 62.54, from which we did see sell side momentum bring us down beneath the 61.48. We've had a brief move back up and we weren't able to hold the level, and we do look poised for further downside continuation. So we do see that downside continuation. We'll look to see if we do find support at a dynamic level of a 200 period moving average. If a break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that $60.25, $60 a barrel mark. Beyond $60 a barrel, we're looking all the way down at 59.31. Very minor level. I wouldn't even think it would come into focus. But ultimately, we'll be looking for prices head down towards that $59 a barrel mark. Now, that is the very next major level marked out here in red. A successful break from which we're looking for prices to head down towards that 58.28 here on the US oil. And with that said, I think that pretty much covers everything in regards to the hourly charts here. We have had the prices stall, had a downside continuation. So let's just have a brief look at the daily chart. So if we have a look at the daily charts here, we can see we've had a very strong trend to the upside, very sharp sell-off. We've had this move upwards, and we do look poised for further sell-side momentum in the market. So we've got a candle close near its lows, and we do appear poised for further downside continuation. Ultimately, we look to see if prices do find support all the way down at the 58.28. Pretty much the area from which we did see this move to the upside. Or potentially, there is a potential, of course, for prices to turn around before heading down towards the 58.28, potentially putting in a higher low, and for increasing likelihood for further upside continuation on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.